I don't know about y'all, but I'm all about passive income this year. Y'all post on social media anyway, so here's an opportunity anyone can start today. Higgsfield has a creator program that rewards you for content, and I'm showing y'all my exact workflow to get set up and start generating now. Let's use me as an example. You always want to remember to be transparent with your audience, especially with all the buzz around AI. There's so much y'all can do on Higgsfield. Think of it as your one-stop shop for all things generative AI. It can look a bit intimidating to new eyes, but trust, it's easy to navigate once you know what you're trying to make. And with my guidance, you'll be cashing in Higgsfield checks yesterday, okay? My most used feature on this platform is create an image. There's over 15 models to choose from, 10 aspect ratios to fit any platform screen, 3 quality models, between 1 to 4 images at once, and if y'all have the right plan, unlimited mode. That's free generations that don't cost you any credit. Now, in case y'all didn't catch on already, this video was created using images, videos, and sounds generated on Higgsfield. Through my generations and expertise, I've developed a character DNA kit. When I use Nano Banana Pro, the face, environment, and camera settings are consistent, and that's rule number 1. All of these images were created using Nano Banana Pro and a reference image. Before I got this face, this is what the system initially gave me. Over on the right side, you can see the prompt used and more information regarding the generation. I so love this feature because I can see everything at once. Now with this next generation, purple is part of my color palette. So by adding top is a vibrant lilac color, the entire image changed. What I did resulting in this difference is called prompting. What you tell the system is what you'll get. Even just removing the word YouTube, y'all, the system started to generate images I actually could use. Now with an image you like, it's time to turn it into a video. Higgsfield offers over 10 features and models to generate videos. That includes videos with no sound, just aesthetically pleasing or B-roll, videos with sounds that are more environment-based than people talking, or lip sync and motion control. For an aesthetically pleasing or B-roll shot, it usually doesn't require sound. So y'all should look out for video features and models that highlight quality and length. I like Clean 2.1, Clean 2.5 Turbo, and Clean 2.6 so far. For videos with sounds like background noises of a large crowd or traffic or rain, y'all should look out for video features and models that highlight quality and audio. I like Clean 2.6 and WAN 2.6 so far. Y'all gots to play with the system to understand what works best for what y'all want to create. Here's an example of a video I made with no audio. What y'all think? And a video I made with audio.
Wait till I tell you this. You won't believe what happened next. Watch this.
Now, lip sync and motion control are the most popular video features and models available to you on Higgsfield. They both require a reference video or audio for y'all's desired output. In the lip sync studio, there's so many models to choose from. Even uploading your own voice for an AI influencer is possible. Now, Kling's motion control is everything. Higgsfield already has pre-uploaded videos, so all you need is an image to match the actions of the video. You can choose the quality and control what takes priority for the scene, the image or video. There's even an unlimited mode, so no wasted credits to start. Here's what I just made. I mean, look at the videos you can make. Y'all too can create AI influencers that dance, talk, and get dressed up, all for content and get paid to do so. When creating on Higgsfield, the possibilities are endless. I'm telling you, y'all don't want to miss out on an opportunity to change your life. If you go to creators.higgsfield.ai, you'll be able to select if y'all want to make short form content on Instagram or long form content on YouTube. You'll enter either your IG username or YouTube email. Once you're verified, you're in and can start creating to submit and get paid. Now, some of y'all may be new to this AI world and don't have an AI influencer yet. Once again, Higgsfield is legit making it easy for y'all to start generating and earning today. Higgsfield has an AI influencer studio so you can design and build your AI influencer from scratch. You can select a character type, the gender, ethnicity/origin base, skin color, eye color, skin conditions, age, advanced settings, eye type, eye detail, mouth and teeth, ears, horns, face skin material, surface pattern, whatever you want. And if y'all head over to Cinema Studio, you can create professional grade cinematic content powered by real camera and lens simulation. I mean, take a look at this. I can't wait to play around in Cinema Studio and come up with content for y'all. Here's a brief tutorial on how y'all can use the Cinema Studio to the best of its ability. AI influencers are taking over. Attention followers and real money are being gained daily. I've shown y'all a simple workflow on Higgsfield, so you can start generating images, videos, and AI influencers today. Start with an image and always remember, prompting is key. When you master that, y'all mastered generative AI. Take that image and use it to create a video to tell your story. Share your interest with the world. We all love scrolling on social media, so use this information to make scroll-stopping content. If this video helped you connect a few dots, don't forget to subscribe so you'll know the moment the next tutorial drops. And if you want early access to updates, new lessons, and drops before anyone else, join my email list. That's where I share my workflow and what's really coming next. Check out more info on all my social platforms and my direct links in the description below. Thanks for viewing me on screen. I'm Sade, and see y'all in the next one.